Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Netflix on a TV using your phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you have your iPhone, Android, and you wanted to connect your TV to Netflix, there are two different ways to be able to do this. If you're just a guest staying somewhere like an Airbnb or something like that, I would highly recommend casting instead of logging in, so that you don't forget and leave yourself logged in on that other device. However, if it's your TV, then I'll show you how to log in so that you're permanently logged into your account on your TV. Now, let's say in this case, you're just visiting somewhere and you wanted to be able to watch something, but you don't necessarily want to fully log in so that they'll be logged in if you forget to log out when you leave. When you open up the app, you can see at the top right is that cast icon. I can just tap on that and it says, make sure your smart TV streaming device and your iPhone, iPad, or Android are on the same Wi-Fi network. As long as you do that, the TV and your phone are on the same network. You can essentially just cast any video, any movie, TV show, or anything like that over to that TV. And this way you don't need to log in on the TV. However, let's say it is your TV and you do want to log in. You can just open up a web browser. Essentially, what you're going to do is on your phone, go to this website, and on a TV, you're going to go to the Netflix app. So navigate to the home screen and find the smart TV option for Netflix. So open up Netflix. It should say something like, go to this QR code, or this is the link, and it'll have a string of numbers. You're going to use those numbers to enter them in here. And you'll be able to get to this on your phone by going to netflix.com/TV and then the number 2. Again, netflix.com/TV2. You can see it says match the code on your TV. So all you need to do is enter in that code and hit continue. Just by doing so, it will mimic where your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi as the TV. It'll say, all right, this is the code on both devices. So let's just authenticate it. And essentially you'll be able to log in directly on the TV on the same account that you have on your phone. It will bring up everything the same as before. Essentially, you can go to your Netflix profile. You'll be able to see everything on here in addition to switching to any of the other profiles that are on your account. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.